Peralez's attic, Stephanie's. So we've got a 16-inch return here, return box. We'll have 2 returns coming off our supply trunk. It goes back into there, but visible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our unit here hasn't had any water in the drain pan, which is good. Our coil is a 2.5 ton coil. Our refrigerant lines those are close to 1/4 inch. Or then they run back down there. We'll have to see where those go. Might be able to reuse those, but our gas line comes right up here. There's no drip leg on our gas line. Oh no, there is a drip leg, never mind. Comes in the side, so we'll have to have a horizontal kit for our unit. B vent going all the way up. And that's it.